day, God knows whenever. And caught out obviously in these huge floods, let's give you guys an update. They're the biggest floods since January, if not worse. And you can see now that the water is actually coming over the brim. We're bubbling over, guys. It's all come onto here. We're hoping it doesn't really come over and start coming up to here. We're obviously very new to cruising and have never been caught out in any sort of floods ever. So this is really testing on us. Follow us on YouTube, guys. You know the score. Like and subscribe. See you over there for the full story. The river's flowing very gently, but they are predicting much more rain in the next hours. Lovely.